We've just gone past 28 k's, so it's getting hard now. We're both very much looking forward to the end of this track at the moment.
We are 4 hours 30 in.
4 hours 30? You told me it wasn't possible to do it in a day.
We haven't even finished yet. We've still got half to go.
Yeah?
We've got 15 kilometres down.
Hey, it's 12 hours in a day.
Yes. Yes. As we're like absolutely powering on through sections, you know.
Yeah, we've been here before, so you don't have to see it again.
Yes. Yes.
Honestly, every different track we take, this place just blows us away. It's more beautiful every one we go to. You need to get here, come and see this place, it's incredible. So this is a king fern. They're actually one of the largest ferns in the world. Because there's a constant water supply in Kings Canyon, it's the only place they still survive other than on some of the coastal regions along Queensland. So it's just amazing to see these still here. They actually share the canyon with some tree ferns as well, as you can see. Do you know what? The rain eventually has come, but I can't think of actually anywhere better. This place is absolutely spectacular in the rain. And we've actually got shelter, so we were going to go to the amphitheater for lunch. May change our plans and have lunch here maybe.
Idea.
Because it's starting to come down. It's going to be wet last part of the ride. Make that walk. We're not on bikes. So that's the amphitheater, but what do you think?
It wasn't as impressive what I thought it was going to be. I actually preferred Ward's Canyon.
Yeah, I think the big thing for me is that the ones that we weren't expecting to be anything have actually been amazing. And don't get me wrong, that is spectacular and it's incredible the way it's been formed.
True.
But yeah, it's underwhelming compared to, I suppose, particularly Ward's Canyon, which was just a complete and utter surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah, still amazing. Be aware, if you do not like heights, you may not enjoy the stairs in. They're quite steep. Yeah, if you don't like heights, you're going to struggle. But very good rails, very strong, sturdy stairs. But definitely it may make you skip a few beats in the heart if you're not good with heights. Hey, Liz.
I was fine.
How have you enjoyed it so far?
Good. We definitely have to come back when we've got more time.
So we're pushing on, we're nearly at 20, we've just gone past 28 k's. So it's getting hard now. Someone's dragging her feet a little bit.
8 hours 40 minutes we've been walking.
Yeah, so 8 hours 40 minutes so far. That's well, that's walking and stopping, isn't it?
Yes.
So it's 8 hours 40, that's stopping, starting, lots of filming and stuff like that. So we're hoping the shop's open at the end of the day, at the end of the track, because we've both been fantasising about an ice cream or two. So yeah, so it's been great so far, but we're both very much looking forward to the end of this track at the moment.
I've loved it. I really have loved it. Kind of sad it's coming to an end, but kind of looking forward to putting the feet up. Having a shower.
Yeah.
It's a bit stinky out here at the moment.
Like, we are wet. We're wet from, we've been caught in a number of rain showers. But mostly we're wet from just gross sweat. It's not actually hot, which is great. The temperature's been really good. It's only probably been mid-20s.
Yeah.
So it's only been mid-20s, so it's actually been really decent. But humidity has been crazy. The interesting thing is it's off-season, and we've still seen quite a few people, which has been really cool. Number of families. One poor little tyke was, what, 4 years old and doing a 14k return trip. So he was getting carried by mum when we saw him. As much as it's been hard work, I'm glad we did do all of it, contrary to the arguments we've been having about it.
We haven't done Big Bend and we haven't done Bulimba Bluff. So Bulimba Bluff would add another
Big Bend.
4.5 k.
But the only reason we didn't do the bluff is, one, time, two, we definitely had it. But also, two, I've got to be honest, everything I've seen, it's not that great. It's just another lookout, and I think we've seen stuff that's been way better than that. So apparently Lisa reckons it's supposed to be spectacular in sunrise though. So we might actually see if we can get up early enough tomorrow and maybe head up and see if we can see the sunrise. See how we go.
See how we go.
Definitely, if you haven't been out here, get out here.